Today in Raw Customs, Minion goggles.
Hey guys, welcome to Raw Customs. I'm your host, Patrick Rapolo, and on this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make some Minion goggles. So, if you'd like to hang out with those funny talking little yellow guys, you might want to get a set of these so you'll fit right in. Also, a yellow shirt and hat probably wouldn't hurt either. Either way, I'm going to hook you up. If you go down to the description area below, you'll find a link to a free download for the templates for these things. Also, on your way down there, don't forget to smash that like button for me. And if you'd like to see more, go ahead and subscribe. But for now, just keep on watching to see how to put these things together. On this build, you're going to need one sheet of 5mm foam, some clear plastic, googly eyes, elastic, contact cement, some plasti dip, spray paint, a razor, a heat gun, and an optional airbrush. Start by cutting out your pieces. Then take the face of the goggles and trace the inner circle onto some clear plastic. Then add a border to the circle around 1/4 inch. And once the border is drawn, you can cut the piece out. You'll need 2 of these. Next, use a heat gun to heat up the ice around. Then roll it into a cylinder and allow it to cool. This will let it keep its shape. Once the piece is cooled, add contact cement to the inner edges where the piece comes together, and the front edge as well. I recommend using 2 coats of glue on all edges to get the best adhesion. Next, take the face of the goggles. Add glue to the back side. Once your glue set up on your eye surrounds, line up your edges and press them together. Then line them up on the back side of the face piece. Do your best to center it. There will be a lip left on the outside edge. Next, apply glue to the outside of the eye surrounds in between the reference lines and the reference circles. Quick tip guys, to help hold smaller pieces, you can wrap tape around a popsicle stick with the sticky side out. Now you can place your line overlays onto the tape and then apply your glue. Now take your googly eyes, place them face down onto some tape, and then apply glue to the back side. Now take the short bar overlay, line it up in place between the 2 slots, and press it into place. Now glue down your strips following the reference lines. Now take your googly eyes, glue them into place on top of the reference circles. Cut a small square to go in between the eye surrounds. Apply your contact cement to the square and in between the eye surrounds, and then glue it into place. Next, spray on 2 light coats of plasti dip, followed by 2 heavy coats. Once the plasti dip's dry, you can spray on 2 coats of paint. Here I used the airbrush to add a little detail and calm down the silver paint, but this step isn't necessary. Once your paint's dry, add glue to the inside edge of the goggles and to the border of your clear plastic. Once the glue is set up, the lens can be lined up and pressed into place. Now take your elastic. Take a short section and run it into the goggles through the front slot, and then run it out through the back slot. Do this on both sides. Now place the goggles on your head and adjust the strap to fit. Once your strap's adjusted, cut off the excess elastic. Now you can glue the end of the strap together. I'm using hot glue here, but you could also use contact cement.